Kos is a product of jackfruit. The versatile green jackfruit is a staple and delicious food item in Sri Lanka. It prepared in many ways. This can be consumed either as meal or snack. In past, the jackfruit used instead of rice. In the old days, there used to be a wooden mesh hung over the kitchen fireplace or hearth called an Atuwa. The jackfruit dried in the Atuwa. After that, it became the Atu Kos. The name Atu Kos came from the meaning of dried jackfruit in the Atuwa. Atu Kos is dehydrated jack seeds or strips of jack flesh. It is a food preserving method of our ancestors. Atu Kos has been indigenous food in the town of Kindelpitiya from ancient times. This is the book about Kindelpitiya. Here, the writer mentioned the Atu Kos as their main food item. Atu Kos have a special cultural value, but in Kindelpitiya they use Atu Kos in every occasion. We can inevitably see Atu Kos in home meal of Kindelpitiya. They use Atu Kos Aggala in tea party, and they use Atu Kos Malluma and Atu Kos curry in special occasions like New Year festival. Atu Kos has an intangible cultural value as a preserving method. It is knowledge and practices concerning nature which came from our ancestors. There are various types of Atu Kos. Atu Kos curry, Atu Kos Aggala, Atu Kos Malluma. How to make Atu Kos? First, boil the jackfruit. Second, filtering the water. Third, drying in the sun. In past, they dried kos in the Atuwa. How to make Atu Kos Malluma? These are the ingredients. First, wash the dried jackfruit thoroughly. Second, boil the dried jackfruit. Third, chop the green chilies, cinnamon, garlic and rampe. Then mix with coconut and add kaha to it. Add this mixture to the boiled jackfruit, then cook on the stove. This is the Atu Kos Malluma. Atu Kos is a delicious food item and it is indigenous food item in Kindelpitiya. Come and enjoy the taste of Atu Kos.